Slowpitch.
What's up, everybody? It's Ross from Swing Boss here. I have to dip down, and I'm going to do a sound test for you guys today. You probably can't see it in my wide angle. Maybe you can. I have my Rode, nice Rode mic that I do my podcast with, set up here where the sound is actually going to be moving from, because if you're swinging forward, you think the sound's going to be going this way. I'll try to get it from maybe another angle as well. Hope you can hear me. I have 52-300 rock. We'll hit that first on every swing. And then I have a Dudley Thunder ZN 44-375 Classic MU trip ball. That's we're going to be hitting. I'll hit my DNA. It's got about 700 or 800 hits on it. Obviously, that'll be 52-300 only. I have a Miken Freak 12. I have a ASA Freak Black, the Dual Stamp and loaded Z4000, and one of my favorites here sound-wise, the new DC41. Okay, so we'll do 52-300 first, then we'll do the 44s, and obviously the LC bats and the ASA bats. I'll just do the 52s, just to give you guys a simple sound test and the differences in these bats, the sounds they make. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. It's going to be fun. All right, let's get started. All right, second swing, 44-375, Classic M. DNA's out, Freak Black's out. Just because I don't know what the Freak Black. All right. There you have it, guys. So as I said, 44-375, Dudley ZN Classic M, 52-300 rock here, X rock. Sound pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Tell me how you guys like these. I'll start doing more of the sound videos if I can. I just so happen to be able to get some extra time. Baby's in bed, so I figured I'd jump out and take some of these bats. Bill from Inferno Sports is happy enough to let me borrow to do this test. So yeah, that's that. Let me know what you guys think, all right?